Meaning of flavorless.
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 Flavorless. Flavorless means lacking or having little to no taste or flavor. When something is described as flavorless, it means it doesn't have a distinct or noticeable taste. This can be the case with certain types of food, drinks, medicines, or even chewing gum. Flavorlessness can also refer to something that has lost its original taste due to age, processing, or storage. In summary, flavorless means that there is no discernible taste or flavor present in the substance being described.